Good afternoon, everybody. I'm about to make curry goat. So everybody's can see it. Okay, everybody can see what I'm doing. You can't see me, but you can see the stove. We got olive oil in the frying pan, We're gonna get a spoon. We're gonna get a spoon. If I can find one first. Okay. We're gonna put a little bit of garlic. See, garlic, minced garlic. Just a little bit. Then we're gonna go ahead. We got onions. We're getting ready to put our onions in. Okay. We got our onions in it. Turn our oven on, our stove. We're gonna put our goat, see, here's my goat going into my fan. I'm gonna put a little bit of this in there. Just 2 little spoons to give it some flavor. Okay. There we go. Now we're going to get some water. Time to text me something, Chris. And I got the video already starting. Did you hear me? Chris, I'm gonna need that bigger pan. Can you give me our big pan? No, in the bedroom. Hold on a minute, everybody. We got a little bit of a delay.
Yeah.
Put it up there. Here, babe. I'm gonna need more water than this. Give me a little bit more. Now I'm about to put my potatoes in. I'm done with this. Just a little bit more first. Okay. Now we're going to put a little bit of the ever seasoning. some thyme. Hate this lid. Hate this seasoning. Well, I like the seasoning. I don't like the thing it's in. A little bit of this one is an Italian seasoning. Curry powder. A little bit more in that little container. This is curry goat. Here's our curry going in. And then some cumin. Okay. We're done with all of this. Both of them open, Chris. Both sides open.
Yeah. I heard.
Now we can get it to close. Okay. I can't get this one to close, Chris.
This is I got it.
And that is curry goat. That's what curry goat looks like in the pan. And you know where all the ingredients, everybody. And that's about it. Love you guys all. Have a wonderful day. And when it's done, I'll let you guys see the finished product.